Hello. Today I've been wondering. Why they're making so much things for parrots. Look, sunflower seeds for tropical parrots. Freaking pretzels for tropical parrots. What else? Is this tropical seed? I don't know, it's something else. But you get what I mean. Tomorrow I'll do more food. It's a bunch. But for now, this. I'm gonna be trying this food right now. Pretzel and sunflower seeds. Just have to read in the back. Ooh, sugar. Oh. How about this? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna like this better than the pretzels. Sugar, sunflower, dang. I don't feel like this is for birds, but what do I know? Supposed to give them to parrots. As you know, got one messy one right there, one parrot right there, and 4 parakeets. But I love my parrot. My parrot's name is Guapo. What's up, Guapo? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be eating all of this. You should check out my, what's it called, friend, yeah, you should check out my friend. Wait, what's his name? Oh yeah, Mockingbird Productions. You should check him out. No, he doesn't have a mockingbird, but that's his name. I'm gonna change from Mr. Greenbird to something else. Hip cow bird, I don't know. I'm gonna be eating this. Also face reveal, but that's not that exciting since you've seen my face before. But yeah, they me. Oh, yeah, I do have another one. Okay, it's not that bad. It's just okay, it is bad. What? Okay, I need water. It's disgusting. And it has a lot of sugar. It's like a piece of candy. Except more trashy. I'm looking at my bird because he looks angry. Yeah, he looks angry. Okay. Pretzel is the one that I'm not really proud of. That pretzel. I'm gonna get another refill. Oh my gosh. Oh, and also my sister right here. I'll eat another seed. 2 seeds, I guess. Oh, trips. See the seeds. Alright. About to go in my mouth. Just for you guys. No. Okay. Oh my gosh, hopefully I don't get sick. But I'm only gonna take one bite out of this. Because this one, as you know, corn, flour, cornstarch, starch, whatever. Full sweet. Bacon powder. Berry dries. I'll do this tomorrow. I can't do it today. Bye.